The youth of this country, yena Ghana area or in the future of this country area. Now I've always said, say, there is a new phenomenon via ever Ghanaian politics. It started with 2012 or 2012. I will say that so. When a sitting president of the Republic of Ghana, mysteriously, a sitting president of the Republic of Ghana died mysteriously, and then Ghana politics shall say a change. Now a shall say a change, a new character be emerge into Ghanaian politics. I friend John Dramani Mahama. Now me we've been somebody steady that character, a friend Mahama, for some time. And with no disrespect, he's a former president of the Republic of Ghana, and we respect him. But it looks as if, say, Emra Oshasia best into the Ghanaian political scene, the conduct, the behavior, has been a walking contradiction and something that has destroyed this country and is keep destroying the democracy I have built for so many years. Ghana Vome you. And you think I may say, rise Ghana you for your country. And then I show white because you know what? Yadin Kunim, the sitting president of the Republic of Ghana, Nana Akufo-Addo is the president of Ghana. Now, Mahama becoming a president of this country, metamorphose into the president of Ghana after the death of President Mills. Obianim kwanye fa so ata Mills wu ye besi ne. President Mahama was rumored say onya President Mills obekunu. Emu nsem bebre bai. Ema onu ankasa control ni book e friend my first coup d'etat. Now my first coup d'etat book no troye. Any 3 months, 4 months and ata Mills eto anana no monsiedo. Now I want every Ghanaian to go back and check the video. NDC for the Atamils free abroche bae no jina tama koso na omo force so because I President Mahama. At that time he was the vice president of the Republic of Ghana. Mo hwe nanim and any behavior at that time. And no, he will leave that for another day. This man started using money. Say we asima yewe no. Any great leader be amakacho say every great leader be obebe we asibiano. He goes through a political struggle. Mahama as a person, the all your Ghana the genesis of this dangerous man, who, if we are not careful, obey ye you for no say I'm sorry and tia Mahama. Nia make sure say we rise up and defend this country. This Mahama character can destroy because we are taking Ghanaians for granted. Because he supervised the death of a sitting president. Ayenim kwa fa so odibu yi ata Mills ebesine Ghana for an canary eno free wa da sorry anopa no be president anko bia nim say ka NDC mu no ka ata Mills wie ya ka nye President Mahama and the baby president, but dubious means a sitting president of the Republic of Ghana, may he so rest in peace, mysteriously Emma Mahama baby di ade obedi ade no mo hwe the run up to 2012 elections. They see what Ghana politics, Legon girls, and my work Ghana honey, my muanim kwarankitin kitibi share and the opulent lifestyle. Give you money to useless people, monetizing politics in this country. Everybody was not cared. It was no Obia from Ghana because Obia feels say normal. First time in history, many fear there me say Ghana ye politics. Sikani sikadoso po dia hini wo Ghana politics. Monetize bibia. This is Mahama era in 2012. This election, Ghana for nyina kotrase na do danko Akufo-Addo. All the presidential candidates echo sign peace pact. So peace pact and then say wo ye beto aba ebeko anko yi a wo fu se wo dispute bi no, you can resort to court. Nana do danko Akufo-Addo ye to aba no ye nyina nim say 2012 elections, the number of MPP votes as in parliamentary was higher than presidential in the NDC, which was what, about 23,000 votes. The then MPP administration, led by Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo leadership, and we candidate Akufo-Addo, MPP amanyo kuo no ko board dompim ewo Obra Sport say they want to take to the streets because 2012 election has been rigged. Yeah, near our grounds. We saw what happened. Joulu mabunu ye nyina ye kan obi ko pie mu Joulu ha ya baby Ghana gas office wo. Near what Israelis are no more massage figures. Felisofo kwache no titi ambulance mu ede figures call electoral commission waiting for the results to be announced. Obianim na no ye pani kwakuba akon ebe kan Peace FM said the evidence was available. No judges no story omode beto abonte no. One of the judges wrote said even though Akufo-Addo won the election, there's no way they can overturn a Supreme Court verdict in the favor of an opposition leader. Yehu de see was Supreme Court in terms of Nyoma tan. If we say Yedun Ketia Amadou Sule, it created almost about 350 polling stations. Edima NDC Amanyuku, Emma recently Charlotte Sebe confirm moye. NDC Amanyuku Ketu South. Nipa da se need to be to 2,000. Nipa da se need to be baku to be 200. No afani hwedi. Jomama Breso, Nyoma Koso, in terms of rigging, daylight rigging. Nipa 700,000 people never talk about Kodua Farijan. Oh, Supreme Court. Ye Fred Farijan, so uncle for those people on Koto Abanamra. Utimi de Nipa be 220 per ene buy. Ghana Funya Abutre. Akufo-Addo enya Abutre. Okujina Obra Sport catch and man for say. Ghana Mamra Jidise was signed peace back with the people that matters in this country. And untino onyeshi obeko Supreme Court. Neho and a Ghana Mamra ebeye juma ama atentini ya juma. Yes, some of us were leading members of the Let My Vote Count Alliance. We disagreed with Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo say yen kono vote for boot na you make sure, but as a leader he took the leadership qualities and catch and say, yen take that mandate, and we went to court. The whole nation was watching. It was televised on TV. Minu mi onu nyina ehwebi e wo TV so. Emma esisa Ghana democracy. Emma Kwadwo Afarijan mpanimfo bi ba be catch Ghana for say. So your leader na be winning about tour. It is won at the polling station. Say electoral commission by law. It declares results where you declare sumesin and now maintain na winia. It is by law. Aye United ase. Obia ni wo twen aba okruma. Obia ni wo violate, obia ni wo bu pani bia ni mti, obia ni wo no bu eminent chiefs and penifo toto wura wo Ghana ha in 2012 Akufo-Addo with all the respect and the dignity our the man penifo. Now only be ha me sesi a na me dey video no ma me esa ne ha me. Say Ghana ha yet na say John Mahama fu say gono kwa na enipa o Ghana na Ghana ha no omuo bia fo bia nyehwe na me sense me ye kro bia rempie kotoko hene na 19 me kasa me boso sebi nana otumfo se tutu abebi okotoko hene kro bia rempie kotoko a ne na so ntiase ye krebre ni rebri ehoma so nana opem so se tutu abebi o seven previous na me boldin an ma ba mu so e sorry anopa etutu ne ntoma papa bi na dwena sa aba betina peace council eyi so ban mi aso betina na betina bedwam eminent chiefs obinom ni chief imam enkramofo nyina pania ye nyina ebu no Ghana ha atutu ne mpaboa mu abetina dwam. A council of elders, some Christian council, and penifua toto wuro sebi omu kan bamu Ghana for political observers any penifo a said the omo Ghana ha wo so kase mpu a epum na me de ha me eye krobia rempie kotokohene na sabi opreka se jamadu opiti kroti ana ne ho bo afie mu kotokohene onimonyamfo timatutu ne nampaboa aba betena sese e be sign peace accord na peace na bato na e ba beto no obi biara ufuso wo grievances after the election you can resort to court, and these were documented, witnessed by Otiko Koso Pemso say to Abebio, witnessed by the chief imam of the Republic of Ghana, witnessed by the Christian Council and the able Christian notable men of God, and the Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana. Nani bibi yetu abawie ye John Mahama expressing the grievances. Na se wodim se abato onyi ntumu a sekrama wani nso ade anya ne borgadum chese ummu kotokohene emfa ne nya hwe otumfo se tutu abebi o krobia rempie kotokohene se na tutu ne namu mpaboa aba betina se pani otumfo se tutu kotokohene Ghana asanteman nyuna wura abetina se a witness se sign peace accord. Chief Imam Osmanu Shaributu Nana Penia Nkemofo nyina respectable head of the Muslim community. Any Christian council abetina se President Mahama, former president, person church omubia omusa penifo we for munya hwe. On for munya bibia omumo. Eto no de esa ni tumi a o pede dinsem hunu wo Ghana henti no. Said the kotokohene beka o, said the chief imam beka o, accord aya sign international community for ya we o, obia no mfa nsem hunu so na nanom mede manu twitwiri sum na so. Mede manu etwitwiri sum na so asema na ken. Enso John Mahama edi nananom atwe nananom sawo. Na me de ha me ne se obesori anopa se onu so oba menhia yimfie aba be chia krobia wrempie kotokohene. Mene me magunu ke be block John Mahama so omra menhia yimfie so be chia kotokohene. Se John Mahama so ye bema pa ifide kui mani si menhia yimfie so oba be chia kotokohene because oguy okotokohene enimu ase. E nanu yada ena osori ye no mrantie kodidi kotokohene atem se kotokohene twantoro ono chief of staff kotokohene san se ne nufu papa ono odwene Ghana hono do my Ghana ntino wanfa nya sem unya akukuduro timi komensha hifie eko ka kire krobia rempie kotokohene se wo ba be campaign to ba Asante region umwade ummu pani bia wo wiase kama wani enswade anya ne borgadum ana wo so ya bo akusie wo so bedane ahwe a domama wodua de tuawo ebena mi bunutie ni yepa oso ya bo akusie oso bedane ahwe a wodua de twa na sabi krobia umuade muade o Ghana kra no ka kotfoni to kotoko hinanim ka foni to krobia rempie kotoko hinanim foni to eminent cleric chief imam enim ka umuade domama umuhia Ghana fo mfere Ghana fo a Daudi Ghana fo anim aye nka foni to Christian council penifo anim na gini kwa chire hunu se o my Ghana penifo we ma beginam aka amwa sign peace accord, and the peace accord no what they stated in it said if you have any grievances nobody has a problem with you challenging the election results or whatever, which is to me is rubbish, because I know the reason why we are doing that. But today nobody has any issue with you challenging the electoral results and can go through the legal means and I go file a petition say you're going through and shed the NDC for the year or electoral commission office peace accord wa kotoko hini ni penny for better as say you restrain your supporters irrespective of the circumstances within which you find yourself. She damage your ma cause the properties or ma cause and the waste of taxpayers' money to pull police officers on the street to make sure say rubbish and reckless leader like John Dramani Mahama inciting Ghanaians, individual and ordinary Ghanaians, to come on the street to disrespect the Ashanti king, to disrespect the Peace Council, and to disrespect the chief imam of the Republic of Ghana. Now, me say papa we betimenya akwanya so ko chief imam ho e o fadama se onu John Mahama ebrebi beba obetima sori se okọ kotokohina yimfie ena me kanana no ayemfu mu tie niye kumazi ayemfu nananom a muna mu ka ba mu asanteman ya mu dia se ye hene etimi kotena se onu no etena se a witness kotokohina won ko ba bia kwawo kotokohina ntina bibia mu kwasa o kotokohina odene ho otisikada kofiso oyo hene pon a odene ho so what I say yentina se Emma Mahama ni useless political ambition o wonti no o megu ya hine ni mase o megu kotoko hine ni mase mfa ne huni o dia say, and I'm telling him say ahemfo mo ba no ba mo twadwan kokko mu ne nase oba kotoko hina yimfie a mu twa na su emfiri ho mama mane si ahemfie ho because mu kotoko hine ubu kotoko hine bugana fo bu asanteman a kokotoko hine tutu ne tuma mu metrase someone said peace accord. Now after the election, what you have to do per the peace accord, you follow it to the status quo. You don't go out there vandalizing properties, inciting your people across the country. And then in Kotiamete, yes, John Mahama sorry nam police station. Ko a man tiani mabawa mukodi some electoral commission. Vandalizing property. This is the kind of reckless leader that we have in this country, that people should warn Mahama and not say that Mahama, you are a disaster to this country. You are a dangerous political figure. And you have ascended the highest throne of this country. The former president of the Republic of Ghana. Go and read Article 63 of the Ghana Constitution. As somebody former president say you are a statesman, you are an icon, and you are a bona fide property of Ghana. Bibi biara beko Ghana biano. Wo uneso shema Ghana ejina Ghana image. Now the way bibi amawasi adana abono krono.